Brand building and media management often go hand in hand. Shaping a brand is a difficult task and needs top-quality work along with a strong digital presence. PR and media marketing thus play an important role for a company to thrive in the increasingly competitive marketplace. Hello and welcome to another informative video by Mirror Review. In this video, we will enlighten you with 5 salient informative tips that can significantly strengthen your media management. Customer preferences matter. The growing demands of customers must be fulfilled in a quick and creative way. To do so, you should provide the information they want and offer it on their terms. Make clients' job easier. On-time and top-quality work, combined with satisfactory budgets, reduces the load on the client. Try to offer the clients maximum professional services and opportunities to promote their customers or brands. Go with the flow. Current affairs and trends boost brand awareness and ultimately aid brand growth. Go with the flow and offer your clients trendy and popular brand recognition techniques. Always share rich content. Content is the king, and through a powerful piece of relevant content, clients can achieve excellence. Honor the clients by sharing rich content and keep relevancy on high priority for optimum client satisfaction. Maintain transparency and authenticity. Misinformation has become the biggest hurdle in the path of trust between clients and the company. Maintain transparent and authentic information flow, as well as check the credibility with strong fact-checking techniques. Michelle Guilliam, founder and president, Point Taken Communications, is one such ardent and zestful leader who has incorporated these techniques in her firm. Admirable journey of a media leader. Directing a media organization, Michelle has been taking charge of authenticity, transparency, and smooth operations. Her willingness to work in media led to cultivating her media and journalism skills, ultimately contributing to the success of her own company, Point Taken Communications. Michelle prioritizes customer demands and their convenience with trustworthy, transparent, and rightful services. At the firm, she pivoted excellent strategies that guided clients to communicate clearly, concisely, and calmly with their customers. Leveraging her profound expertise, Michelle has been helping Point Taken Communications propel and achieve unprecedented heights. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to Mirror Review's YouTube channel for more interesting stories.